This is the WisAIR oil-free compressor range. The WisAIR comes with a direct-driven air end with the IP55 induction motor directly coupled to the air end. The in-house designed element provides a highly efficient profile using hydrodynamic bearings and corrosion-proof parts. The near isothermal compression process results in premium energy savings and low thermal stress. The integrated inverter with cooling air forced over electronics will guarantee a smooth startup and longer lifetime. All readings and controls are available from a full color controller with data logging possibility and an integrated sequencer. There is a dryer integrated into the package to reduce footprint, maintenance, and installation cost. The cooler pack is installed in an easily accessible sound-insulated cabinet. The radial turbine reduces the energy consumption while maintaining a high cooling efficiency and providing a lower noise level. The sound-insulated canopy allows installation in most working environments without requiring a separate compressor room.